Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is March 23rd, 2017, and today is Thursday. So just on a personal note, I just wanted to give a big thank you on behalf of the entire CMTrading family to Marty Maiden for his dedicated work here at CMTrading. For the past year and a half that he's been here. Marty decided to relocate his family to Australia. We wish him lots of success, happiness, and health down in Australia. So getting to our job today, just on the economic calendar today, we're starting out at 11:30 South African time, GBP number coming out. It's a monthly retail number. It is a high impact number. We'll look at the graph to see how much it could further go. And then at 2:30 p.m. South African time, we have a USD number. It's an unemployment number that's coming out. And then further in the day at 2:45 p.m. South African time, we have Fed Chairman Janet Yellen, who will be speaking in front of the Federal Reserve. So that should be kind of interesting how this unfolds. So looking at the markets right now, we're looking right now at the Euro USD. Euro USD has had a very nice rally this past month. Okay, we started out at 105, over about 300 pips move this past month. As you can see, it's as much as we've gone in quite a while. Now we're at this upper range of 108-ish level, and we retraced from it. We're right here in the middle between this 108.13 level and 107.79 level, and we're just smack in the middle of this. So we're really at the, as you can see, also at the moving average, the 14-day moving average, and just in sync. So just we're trading between these two ranges. Let's see if we could keep this momentum on the higher side or the higher range rather of the Euro USD. I'd like to see some sort of breakout to see some sort of continuation, but we've had a very nice move already. This is obviously going on the back of the Dow Jones. Now the Dow Jones, as you can see here, this is a daily chart. And since November 8th, since President Trump has been elected, as you can see, we've gone a tremendous move. As you can see from right here, down here at 18,135. Of course, we gapped down initially, and then we just took off. So this is really the most retraced values we've seen since he's come into presidency. I mean, we anticipated that March would be March Madness and we would see some sort of retracement. The stocks are still strong, so it could be that the market is reacting before the stocks, so we'd have to take a look at that as well. So just keep this on your radar just to see how this is going to fruit throughout the end of the week and the end of March. Now we could see a pop-up and just a big fade to this sell-off. It could be just, people just booking their profits really quickly, as we seem like we've topped off at this 21,100-ish level. Looking at some of the other currencies, GBPUSD, a beautiful move since the beginning of the middle of this month. Okay, we've gone from 121 to 124. Now we're reaching this higher upper range here, as you can see, both on the daily and the 4-hourly. This, of course, is a Fibonacci retracement here, as you can see, and we see that we're coming closer to this 126 level, and we're between this 123-ish level, 126-ish level, and we're trading right smack in the middle of that. So I'd like to see some sort of, maybe retracement down to this 124-ish level, and then a rally back up. I mean, it seems like this has pretty much bottomed out after the Brexit move, and we've just been trading in this range since then. So you gotta keep an eye on that as well. Looking at the JSC, big pop-up this morning, as you can see. We're trading at 45,480, and that's, of course, a very positive view of the JSC. Let's see if we can have a continuation of this move, or this is just going to sell off and this was just a fade. So keep an eye on this as well, because this could really move if it does take these upper levels and there's some sort of continuation. Looking at the USD ZAR, we've retraced a lot. Okay, as you can see here on the dollar side. Okay, the dollar's got much weaker versus the rand, as you can see, trading on 12.55. Now this, of course, comes on the back of the gold. Okay, gold has been very, very strong this past year and gaining momentum as we've seen throughout since the beginning of the year, rather. Looking at gold here, you can see it's trading at 1246. We've bounced off this 1200 level, this roundabout number, and now we're coming back into some sort of a resistance, previous support level, as you can see here at 1250-ish level. So I'd like to see some sort of continuation. I think we're going to sell off a little bit here down to 1222 as we've made this major move from 1200 to 1250 in just a matter of a couple of days, a few days. So a lot of activity the past 6 days. Let's see if there's continuation towards the end of the week, and to see if there's consistency or if we're going to see some sort of retracement. So at these levels, I wouldn't get on, to be buying these levels, but I would be looking for some sort of retracement, not a major retracement, but some sort of correction or pullback for the next move up. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading, and I want to wish you guys a great trading day.